Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas. Las Vegas is an internationally renowned major resort city known primarily for its gambling, shopping, fine dining, nightlife, which you are experiencing right now, and especially my favorite, supercars. Guys, this is the downtown. So, what's the downtown? It's the central part of Las Vegas, which is an absolutely gorgeous place you can ever find in Las Vegas. But now it's time for the Las Vegas Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is the main part of the nightlife where you can gamble, spot supercars, or just take a walk and appreciate its beauty. So, after exploring Texas for 10 days, my next stop was Las Vegas. So, this is the Excalibur Hotel of Las Vegas. This was my hotel, the Luxor. Yes, I was staying in a pyramid. So, this is the main entrance of Luxor Hotel. These are the speciality, the casinos. This was the view from the top. Now let's check out the view which was outside my hotel room, the Las Vegas International Airport. Now it's time for the Corvette and the Ferrari FF. So guys, after spotting the Corvette and the Ferrari FF, I continued my supercar journey. My next stop was the Royalty Exotic Cars. Royalty Exotic Cars is a supercar rental company based in Vegas. Yes, you can rent wide range of supercars, literally from a Lamborghini to a Bugatti. As I rolled in, there were two Lamborghini Huracan Spiders welcoming me. Let's get into this, guys. Let's start the vlog. So here I am in Royalty Exotics. This
How's
is
it going? AJ here with
AJ.
Royalty Exotic Cars.
Yeah. So it's gonna show me around the whole place, and we're gonna take a lot of good stuff right now. So let's check out these cars. Bentley 720s, Gallardo, Viper, everything is here. We've got an NSX, Gallardo, I think it's the Spider 1. Yeah, and this is the Bentley. And big follower of DDE and Royalty. Say hi.
Hi.
That's the special one, the Huracan. And this is the Viper. The first supercar of this vlog is the Gallardo Performante Spider. This car is equipped with true Italian power, which is V10 from the Lamborghini. This engine produces 570 horsepower and this car is absolutely amazing. So guys, let's go and check this amazing beast out. You're gonna absolutely love this car. Let's start this vlog. Let's check this Lamborghini Superleggera. No, it's a Performante. Oh my gosh, it's a Performante. Damn. Are you guys checking this out? It's a Performante. Damn, I wanted to see these cars in real life, and today is the day. The supercar which I'm talking about is the Acura NSX. So guys, what is Acura NSX? Why this car is so special? Basically, it is a hybrid supercar. It comes with 3 motors and each produces a sick amount of power. So if we break down the motors, there are 2 motors in front and 1 at the back. It is associated with a twin turbocharged V6 engine. So this car produces almost 573 horsepower and goes up to 307 kilometers per hour. So all these supercars, if we compare, have almost 7-speed transmission in them. But this special supercar has 9-speed transmission. Can you imagine? So let's get into this car and let's check out its interior, guys. You're gonna love this supercar. So I'm gonna open up the NSX. I think it's open, so let's do this. This is the Acura NSX, and it's a hybrid supercar, and yeah, one of the most nicest cars ever in the market right now. So guys, the next car I'm going to talk about is my dream car, Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Basically this car is equipped with a 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 engine which produces 610 horsepower. Now, from Lamborghini itself, the car comes with 2 variants, the LP610-4 and LP580-2. So first of all, what do you mean by LP? LP means longitudinal posterior, which means the car has a longitudinally mounted mid-engine. So now, if we differentiate LP610 and LP580, guys, the LP610-4 has a 4-wheel drive system. The LP580-2 has a 2-wheel drive system. So now let's get into the vlog and let's check out the interior and lots of cool features about this car, guys. So this is the one, Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4, 610 horsepower and a lot of amazing cars. So I'm gonna open up this Lamborghini Huracan as it is one of my favorites one, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. So let's do this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am in the Lamborghini Huracan right now and it's amazing. Are you guys checking this out? It's so comfortable in here, but yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. What an experience sitting behind these cars. It is amazing, like one of my dream come true. It's these shifters. It's amazing. I'm so happy right now. So this is it. The start and stop button. As we don't have any keys, we cannot start it up. And yeah. So guys, it's time for the fastest supercar of this vlog. Yes, I'm talking about the McLaren. So in 2018, McLaren launched this amazingly fast McLaren 720s. So what this car is all about? The McLaren 720s comes with a twin turbocharged V8 engine which produces 710 horsepower. And you know guys, this car goes up to 341 kilometers per hour. And this is a rear wheel drive car, which is completely scary to drive, but at the same time it is amazingly fast. So let's go and check this car out. So this is the McLaren 720s, the latest one, and it's got some post final wheels also. Check these out. These are great. So let's see how we can open this car up, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. So I'm just gonna open up this 720s. So check this interior out. So check this interior out, guys. It's so good, like full Alcantara. First time touching it, feeling it. So let's go in there. It's gonna be really amazing. So here I am in the McLaren 720s. It's so good in here. Like in the Assetto Corsa, I have played this car a lot of times and it's so amazing. Yeah, great experience. Me in the McLaren 720s. I never have imagined this. It's really amazing. All these carbon fiber pieces, the shifters, it's amazing. It's like great in here. One of my dream comes true. Yeah, it's the bright yellow one. I loved it. I really loved it. I don't know what's the exact spec, but yeah, I'm gonna film some more cars. Then we're gonna go home. That means in the hotel room and do a lot of new stuff, more stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. Well, this is my real motto. See, I am from India, but there are not a lot of supercars in my area. So I came here to check these cars out and I loved it. It's so awesome. From next time when I'll visit Royalty Exotics, I'm gonna rent this car out. I mean it. It's so good. So that's it. 720s. These doors are really heavy. So big thanks to these guys. Made my day amazing. It's like a dream come true, guys.
What?
Thank you for showing me.
Alright, guys.
Yeah. So guys, I have a surprise for you. The V12, the Lamborghini V12, the Aventador is waiting for you guys. So there are three now. The Aventador, the V12 one, Huracan the V10 and the V12 Beast, that is the Ferrari FF. Check this lineup. It's like the car just rolled in and I was like it was so good to see these cars in my life. So guys, the vlog has come to an end. Royalty Exotic Cars, you made my dream come true. Please subscribe to the channel guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description down below. And till then, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, take care and stay tuned.